If you want to get into CNC machining, Makera is Hacksmith approved.
I wouldn't call it a beginner CNC, but rather a beginner-friendly machine.
This is a very cool device.
I'm still impressed with the precision and strength of this machine.
Even though this is a smaller CNC machine, it's got a ton of amazing features.